Look, this is a road roller. It uses its heavy roller to flatten hot asphalt. Try to put all the parts together. Exhaust pipe. Wheel. Wheel. Engine and steering console. Cabin and chair. Engine and steering console. Frame. Roller. Exhaust pipe. Cabin and chair. Cabin and chair. Frame. Exhaust pipe. Roller. Exhaust pipe. Exhaust pipe. Well done!